Welcome to today's modular classroom. Today we are going to see WhatsApp's click to chat feature. In your Android phone, you can install click to chat app, which allows you to start or commence a chat with a person whose contact number is not saved in your phone library. And when that particular screen opens like this, you can start entering the number which is not saved in your phone, and you can start a chat immediately with them. Now I'm entering the number and I'm clicking on open, which directly takes me to the WhatsApp chat, and their chat, that particular contact number's chat opens, and I can send any message immediately. So this enables you to start commencing a chat without saving their number. So this is a wonderful feature of WhatsApp through the click to chat feature. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned.